Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025. This video focus on the step-by-step guide for CapSim round 5 to get all the answer for round 5 to get the top result. You see round 4 we have a stop and start with the top result. You can check the other video to see all the detailed guide of round 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now this for round 5 is quite easy. I show you the detail. So for round 5 we update the product here, right? Update the product here. We do update low end, we update 2 times, 1 time in round 3 and 1 time in round 7. You check the launching date here. You can download the free Excel file like this to calculate faster. You check the video of round 1 and 2 to see the details of round of how to create the Excel file, right? And for the marketing we see that we just keep update the price by reduce 50 cents for round 5, right, to get the most optimal price. And for the promotion and sales, we can check the report like this to make sure we get the most optimal promotion and sale budget here. For the traditional here we have the top sale here, right, and 100% of customer awareness here, so we can reduce that budget. For the low end we also have the top here and 100% of customer awareness, so we can reduce the budget. And for the high end we start going up, we get the out of stock here, right, so we can increase the high end, produce more. For the performance we have the top sale here. You see that top market share, 100% of customer awareness. And for size here we get the best selling, so we just use 1,000, 4,000, 1,400 to maintain 100% of customer awareness. And for the most important in the marketing is the sales forecast. Here we use a method we apply from round 1 to 4 here, and then we have the sales forecast here. Inventories here we use Excel file to calculate the sales forecast and inventories here, right, and then we calculate the sales forecast and production to input into the game. So we have that for sales forecast. And now we check the production for this season. So we have the sales forecast here and inventories here. We have the production schedule here, right? Production schedule, right? So you see that input carefully. So again, I say that in all the video, do not copy and paste the number into the game. You use a method, the strategy I'm showing you, and then you can have the right strategy. Numbers may be different from game to game, from student to student. So we need to use a number from your report here, from your game to calculate that. If you are not sure, send the email or WhatsApp, I will answer the question, right? So now we add more capacity here because the demand is very high. So you see that we use 100% of 2 shifts, the second shift, double the capacity production. And now we increase automation for the high-end performance and size product to 5. Next round we increase to 6, right? For the HR is quite simple. Just keep the best workforce by 5 hours recruitment and 80 hours of training. And for the finance, so we don't have to issue the stock now. We just maintain the short-term and long-term loans, right? And we can pay some dividends here, right? You see that some competitor pay more, so we pay more, right? We can pay more, right? And now we can have the for TQM we can use around 1,000. It's okay. So you see the performer income here, right? We have very high sales here, much higher than even round 4 we get the top result, but round 5 we get much higher, right? You see increase nearly 150 million of sales, and profit increase nearly a few times, right, to 15%, and contribution margin nearly 15%. And you can see the result of round 5. We have the very high sale and profit. You see we account for 33% of market share. The sales are much higher than all the competitors. And the stock price going up, we get the 99% of the stock price, and top competitors around 50 or 46, we 2 times higher than. And the market cap we get much higher than all the competitors. You can see the result, right? So this is very important. We get the right strategy, right? And we invest in early rounds like you see on the screen. The early round 1, 2, 3 and 4, and from round 5 we can lead the game. One round from 5 to 8, one round from 5 to 8. Round 4 we turn around, and round 5 we go up very fast. So remember to use a top 10 winning tips for the rounds, and remember also to learn some lesson from the game. Understanding the game very important. You check on the screen, right? All the decisions each round we need to understand what you do, what decision to make, what report to read, how to update product, how to set price, how to calculate the sales forecast, how to set decision for production, how to set decision for HR, finance, CQM, all of that, you can win the game 99%, right? If you still need the support and understand the details, you can send email or WhatsApp or send the email to capsim2012@gmail.com. So you just see the details, guide, and tips for round 5. If you have any other questions, send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com or get free support for 2 rounds. And check the other video for more winning guide and tips to keep leading the game. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.